The way you look small and you always work with capital letters. Yeah. Says my friend. Actually, by that it felt like an insult. Like that was really an insult. But anyway, ni ukweli by that. Natembeanga na capital letters. Let me confirm it from you guys. Yop, commenteni hapo chini. Hadi nimejaribu kutembea. Sasa hapa niko serious. I don't know like guys. But that was too much, sindio? Anyway, capital letter or no capital letter, I don't care. Like, we are here for good vibes. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vero7254. Yep, and guys, that was just a by the way. That was just a by the way. So guys, in my today's video, actually, we'll be cleaning the Mekensa, or rather, let me say the vacuum cleaner. Yep, the Mekensa in the Arabic language, the vacuum cleaner. Yep, that is what we'll be cleaning. So guys, follow me, like just follow me. Let's do it. Bah! Yep, welcome back and thank you so much for tuning in. So guys, this is the Mekensa I'm talking about. It's called vacuum cleaner. Yep, guys, and tuko nje, tuko kwa barabara, that is. Yep, we are heading to barabara. Ndio tunaenda kumwaga ile uchafu ya nini, the dust that inakungo kwa Mekensa, you know it. Yep, guys, by the way, it's your girl Vero7254. Yep, aka Shagala, aka house manager. So guys, this is me. Yep, this is what I'm doing. As you can see, so yep, so far so good. Actually guys, tumeshamwaga kila kitu and it's done, so we are going back to the house. And yep, this is me. Like ndio barabara kwetu kunakaanga hivi, hakunanga watu wengi, so like huwezi potea, huwezi changanyikiwa gate ni gani. Yep, so and we are done. We close the door, the gates, and yep, we go and start cleaning. So yep, this is it. Hapa tuko rooftop. I went to clean it rooftop. Yep, so this is it. This is the vacuum cleaner. I'm holding a brush and some soap. Yep. And guys, hii ni maji. This is water. Now I'll be using that water. This soap, I will be using it to clean the outer part. Then the brush, I will be using it to clean this, the inner part, that's inner thing that you always put it to cover the dust. Like, yep, that's, yeah. Ninapenda. By the way, guys, my name is Vero7254. If you're my returning subscriber, I say thank you so much for returning. Thank you so much for always being here. Thank you so much for your support. I really don't take that for granted. And if it is your first time being here, karibu, welcome. Mwanzo hapa ni zaidi ya nyumbani. This is more than a home, and it's home of good vibes. Yep, and come, we have the good vibes together. Ama vipi? Yep. So guys, this is me. This is how I do my, like, this is me in the Middle East. Maisha yangu ya ushagala huku Uarabuni. Yep. Saudi. Yep. Guys, actually it was so clean. So like, yep. Now I'm going to rinse it. Kukamua, kurinse. Yep. And yep, and so far so good. So guys, this is my kasabuni, my omo. How do you call it? The powder soap. Yep, it's in form of powder. Yep, that is what I'm using. Yep, though you can still use your bar soap, or it just depends on what you want. But for me, I preferred using this. Yep, and we are using Gaconia. Yes, we are using Gaconia to scrub, like to scrub the earth, like the mkebe, the Mekensa itself. So after that, after we are done, now we are done, it's good. Yep, it's 1 hour later. So this is it. After 1 hour, it's dry. But the way, guys, if you happen to like want to clean the Mekensa, like the vacuum cleaner, you just leave it to dry. Like you just unaiweka kwa jua. Yep. And after that, now this is my Mekensa. You can see it's very, very clean. Yep, it's dry. And now, guys, I'm going to unganyisha. I'm going to join it. Yeah, place it, like I'm going to place everything back to how it's always, like to how it's always done, so that I can start using it. And by the way, guys, you make sure that the ile side kuna wire, like you put it opposite na side yenye kuna pipe. Inaitwa pipe. La la la. Anyway, guys, if you know, you know. I'm your girl Vero TV254. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah, I really love you. So guys, it's done, and after all that, after we've cleaned it, yep, we've placed everything back to how it is. Now I will be folding the wires. Hii kitu inaitwaje? Hii kitu yenye nakunja. Yep, I'll be folding it. Yep, ndo at least ikae poa, like yep, like ikae poa to the wire. But inakaa wire ya aerial, si ndio? The aerial wire or the Mekensa wire. Mayo. Yep, guys, so after all that, kuna uto tungo tuko hapo hivyo. Yep, this is it. This is what it looks like. Wow, inakaa supu, si ndio? It's clean. Yep, imekunjwa poa. So guys, this is any iron. Yep, it's used for kupiga pasi. It's used for ironing. And guys, I'll be first. Okay, first nitaeka maji kwa hiyo nini yangu, like you can see. Then after that, yep, ninaenda nini maji, like okay, like I'm going to place it vile inafaa, yani vile ina donjos, like you can see. Yep, guys, actually by that, guys, for me, when like say, like maybe when I'm ironing this, like thobs, the thobs, we call them kanzu in Swahili. So when I'm doing the kanzu or the thob, like I prefer standing, like yeah. So, and again, I prefer this. I prefer using this because hii unaona ukitumia hii, it's very rare, like ni rare sana uchome nguo, si rahisi. But when you're using the other one, the other normal what iron, the other normal iron box, like we sinanga kismart nachomanga nguo. Alafu again, this one is even much easier, like according to me, like how I see it, it's always like it's easy. And again, unajua like haikukunywi. When you're using the other one, like it normally drains you, like it's really drains you. So by that, guys, I prefer you use it. Yeah, like I just prefer you use this. This is simply the best. It's simply the best. Yep. And pia like inapiganga nguo pasi vizuri, like me, I just love it. I just love it. Na vile sipendi kunini, like sipendi kupiga nguo pasi kama nimesimama mahali pamoja, like napenda mahali penye at least naweza rukaruka nifanye nini when I'm doing like a squat, you know. Yep, so for me this is simply the best. Like I can even advise you, it's simply the best. More so when you're doing the dresses, like let's say maybe unafanya dresses, or maybe you're working, or maybe you're working the Arabs like me in the Middle East. Sometimes you have to do the thobs, the thobs. So kuliko kushinda umeinama mali kumesimama mahali pamoja, pasi imekudrain hadi unatoka hapo kama umeumwa na kichwa. Like for me, I'll prefer and I'll recommend you use this. Abe, I am Tatanima. Guys, just see the way it is. Just see the way we are doing it. Aish, mashallah. Yep, inakaa supu, si ndio? Yep, na ndio nyingine. Next shoe. Hizi ni malongis, the trousers. Zile trousers wanavalianga ndani. Yep, these ones. And actually, guys, I guess now I'm done. Like, yep, I am done with everything. Like, yep, this is it. This is how it looks like. Yeah, tumemaliza. Mtoto mashallah. Guys, I'm your girl Vero TV 254. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching this. I really appreciate. And guys, please, like, please, yo, watu wangu, yani please, ai, yani mtaninyima hizo likes, mtaninyima hizo likes. Guys, kindly like, subscribe, share. I will really appreciate. Nita appreciate vinoma sana. Yep. And in my heart, people, everyone who is watching this is a dedication to you. It's where you'll spend most of your time. Yep. If you're watching this, in my heart is where you spend most of your time. Like, okay, if you're watching this, in my heart is where you spend most of your time. I really love you. I really do say thank you. And yeah, sinawapenda by the way. Yep, so guys, this is it. Actually, I guess I'm done. Like, you can just see how it looks. Inakaa poa, inakaa fire. Inakaa fire, sindio? Yep, so this is it. Like, you can just see it. This is how it looks like. Yep. And after all that, now I'm going to switch off I'm going to switch it off. Guys, by that, unaweka maji ndio at least nguo zisichomeke. Yep, guys, so this is it. We are done. Thank you so much for tuning in. Till next time. Bye.